guys, thank you for joining me back at my local CVS pharmacy. I haven't been here in a while. I've been trying to organize what I have, share, donate, get rid of what I don't need, and just kind of downsize a little bit. Sometimes couponing can become overwhelming, and I'm sure you can understand or relate to that. But today I am doing what they call desperation shopping, because I have got $19 in extra bucks and a $10 care pass that I have to spend. These deals are good Sunday, September 19th through Saturday, September 25th. All right, as you guys know, you can always get free toothpaste and sometimes razors at these stores. So let me go down this aisle and see what I'm going to pick up. Okay, and I'm also in luck because today is Monday, the day when they got a truck, and you'll probably hear some bumping where they're actually stocking the shelves. So I love when they have these Crest deals, not because I like the toothpaste, but I do love the mouthwash, and I like the original. They do have these for $3.99, normally priced at $5.49. When you buy 3, you get a $5 extra buck. Not only that, there is a $5 off 3 coupon. So with these costing $12, I'm gonna use my $5 off coupon and a $5 extra buck and get it right back. Okay, so I'm over in Colgate. Now, this is not the best deal ever, but again, I told you I'm desperation shopping because I need to use my extra bucks and flip as many as I can so I don't lose them all. So I am going to get this Colgate toothpaste because I like these. They are $5.49. Deal is when you spend 10 on select Colgate toothpaste, toothbrushes, and mouthwash, you get a $5 extra buck. Now I only have a $2 digital coupon. I don't have any newspaper inserts, so I don't have anything to go with that except for that $2 off. So 2 of these is going to cost $11. Take off my little $2 coupon, makes it $9. I am going to throw over in there a $5 extra buck because I'm going to get one back. So it's like I'm paying $4 for this, but I will get my $5 extra buck back. So I'm going to go for it. And of course, one of my favorite aisles beyond the paper products, the razors. Razor deals are decent, but I do like to get something back when I buy those. And these that offer something back are a little bit pricey, and I don't have the coupons or CRTs because I haven't been shopping for them much, I guess. But I'm just going to pass on razors this week. Okay, so I was like quickly going over line to see what I was going to pick up when I came into the store, and I got so excited when I saw Tresemme 2 for $10, but I thought it was these big beautiful ones down here. It is not. It's for the 20 ounce. Oh my gosh, what are they doing to me? So 2 for $10. I do have the 4 off 2 digital, making it 6. I would throw in a $2 extra buck, making it 4, paying $2 a piece. I would do it for the big one, but I am not going to do that for the little one. Wow. Okay, here's a decent deal that I was kind of looking forward to get, but I guess they haven't put these out yet. The Irish Spring, you guys have probably already done this deal, but it's $3.99, normally $5.49. And when you buy 2, you get a $3 extra buck. Well, I do have a $1 digital coupon. If you have the insert or have another one, you're gonna like really make out like a bandit on this one. And I don't want all bar soap. But when you buy 2, you get a $3 extra buck, which is pretty cool because 2 of these is $8. I have a $1 off digital, and I have a 2 off 2 CRT, which would take off $3. So 8 minus 3 is 5. If I throw in a $3 extra buck, I would still be paying just $2 or $1 a piece. And if you, all right guys, this is a decent deal if you need it, and it turns out at this time that we do. The Eucotex 30 count or the 32 count, normally priced at $10.79, on sale for $7.49. Now I have a $1 digital coupon I'm going to use, making it $6.49, and I will get a $3 extra buck. So I'm going to throw a $3 extra buck over in there, pay $4.49, and get a $3 extra buck back. Okay guys, so here is my speed shopping deal to make sure I don't lose all of my ECBs and my care pass. So I've got 3 Crest Scope. Those are buy 3 and get a $5 extra buck. I have a $5 3 coupon. The Colgate, there are 2 deals going on. I'm not sure if they're either or. I think they're 2 separate deals, but on select. So I did go ahead and purchase 2 Colgate toothpaste. I do have a $2 digital coupon. That's all I've got. And I will get a $5 extra buck for that. I then went ahead and opted one because I'm really excited about trying this one. It's $9.29, guys. But when you spend $15 on select Colgate, you get a $7 extra buck. So I was okay with trying that. And I have a $3 digital coupon. No digital coupon for the Colgate toothbrush, but it's a nice toothbrush. And then I did find these coffee stirrers. I need those. The Kotex, you saw me pick those up, $7.49. I do have a $1 digital. When you buy one, you get a $3 extra buck. So you guys know I forgot how many extra bucks. I think it's 19 plus a $10 care pass that I have to use. So my total here, which you see, comes to exactly, well, not counting the stirrers. They were on sale. I'm not sure what they are. They were $1. I think they're 75%. I don't know what they are off. So we'll just see. But not counting the little coffee stirrers, the stuff you see in the middle right here, comes to $45.77. I have $25 worth of Colgate merchandise. So it's going to take off $5. I have a 5 off 25 CRT, taking my total down to $40.77. I have a 5 off 3 for the crust, now $37.77. I have that one lonely $2 for the Colgate toothpaste, which will cover one of those, I guess, and takes it down to $35.77. And then I have that $1 off for the Eucotex, takes it down to $34.77. Now I can use, I'm going to get back, let's see, 10, 20, is that right? 17, yeah, I'm gonna get back $20 in extra bucks. So I know I can spend 20 in extra bucks. $34.77, I need to get rid of 29. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all 29, plus all those little penny things or whatever, because I need to use my extra bucks and I don't wanna lose them. So I'm heading to checkout and I'll show you my receipt. All right, guys, and while I might be couponing, these are items I do not need. So I have this tote that I put in my truck, so everything I buy will not go into my house. It will go to a charity. Okay, guys, here's my receipt. If you can see that, I thought maybe that would help a little bit. Okay, there we go. You can see everything I purchased, which I already showed you, and I told you what my total would be. I did go ahead and use my $19 and extra bucks and my $10 care pass. My total after all of that, and I told them to get rid of all those little penny things, whatever to do, like the 3 cents back, 4 cents back, 2 cents back, all of those. So I got rid of those for me. There's my 5 through 3 5s and my 4. My 5 off 3 oral care, my 3 off that expensive toothpaste, my 2 off. Oh, I got an extra $1 off the Crest Gold. That's wonderful. Anyway, my total, guys, was only $1.69. What hit me was that 9% sales tax from Alabama, but I won't complain because another girl says theirs is 10%. She's in North Alabama too. But anyway, all those items, $1.69 after tax, $4.99, and I did get my extra bucks. There's a 5 there, 7 there. Should be another 5. Oh, there it is, a 5 and a 3. So 3, 5, 7, 5. Not bad. $20 in extra bucks. Paid $5. All right, guys, so you've seen me do my emergency rush shop so I didn't lose my extra bucks. If I helped you in any way, great. If you saw any deals you didn't see, which I'm sure you've already seen, then great. If you have to get out, be happy, be healthy. Most importantly, guys, please be safe. And until next time, happy couponing.